G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward, and of course it is Masterclass launch day, the 1st of June here in Australia, and I have a brand new project for you all, and it is a gorgeous new art doll. I have given you all a sneaky peek on our Facebook page, and so many of you are right, you're way ahead of me, and she is a beautiful Bambi. So she is a young deer, and she follows a Disney theme. And I've got her created in Disney colours, but I've given her a little tweak and put my own spin on it. So it's my version of Bambi. I think you're really going to love her. All of my masterclass people, you're going to be able to make her up standing or seated, whatever you like. There's some new techniques to learn, so more stepping up. I think you're really going to love her. Now, in a little while, I'm going to be asking you all a question because I have a giveaway for you all. Bit of a mixed bag this time, so let me show you what I have to give away. I have the most beautiful wool cashmere fabric. This is thick, it's lush, and it's absolutely a delicious denim blue. It's going to be fantastic for bear making. There is 1/2 metre there. And to go along with that, I have 2 pairs of beautiful premium glass German eyes. I've got a pair in blue and also in green, just for something different. And I'm also going to pop in for you all this month a little cardie. You know how I love the knitted cardie, so I'm sharing one of mine with you. So that's a beautiful little sage green, and also one of my favourite supplies, my favourite thread, my extra strong Gutermann in some nice basic colours. So that's a great pack to win. So at the end of this video, I'm going to ask you a question, and the first person to answer that question in the comments below, I will send that pack out to you. So let's have a closer look at my gorgeous Bambi. So here is my beautiful girl Bambi. Well, it's my style of Bambi. It's my interpretation of the Disney Bambi. I've kept her quite animated. She's made out of felt, interfaced felt, so all quite easy to put together. Felt's lovely to work with. And I've kept her to those Disney colours. So there's some new things to learn this month in Masterclass. We've definitely got a new style of ears there. We've got an eye technique there that is completely sewn. So there's no needle felting involved. Those of you who would rather stitch than needle felt, this is your month here. I've also added a beautiful butterfly brooch design there for you, which I'll be teaching you. They make a great little accessory for all of your art dolls. And of course, what about these gorgeous antler buds with their little budding flowers? I thought that was very appropriate for her because actually female deer don't have antlers. Female reindeer do, but she's very young, so I thought that hers would be very pretty as flowers. I hope you like it. And also those gorgeous slippers, so they will be there too. Now, if you join Masterclass, you will be able to have the option of making her sitting or standing, whatever you like. And there's a variety of clothing available to you there in Masterclass if you wanted to put her in a dress. So we are sculpting the nose. I have given you a template to be able to stitch the nose if you'd rather do that. So all very sweet. Overalls are there. You can imagine embellishing them any way you like. And I did think that wouldn't Buttons Bunny make an amazing thumper? He really would. He'd look lovely made up in those greys. So that's something to think about as well. So now let's get busy and give away this beautiful multi-pack that I have for you all. So what do you all think? I hope you love her. I've really enjoyed designing her for you all. So we're going to get to that question. Now my question to you is, I have a brand new baby puppy, a West Highland White Terrier. What is her name? If you tell me her name, number one, first person to give me her name in the comments below, I'm going to send out that beautiful mixed pack of supplies out to you wherever you live in the world. So look, if you want to step up and join Masterclass, maybe Bambi has tempted you, come along and join us. I'd love to have you with me, and you get all of the previous projects. They're all there for you waiting. It's like a great big library of creative fun. So come and join me. I'll put the links down below. Also the links for our Facebook page where you can come and see everybody's creations. Anything that you make with My Patterns Masterclass, all right here on Pay It Forward, you can share on that page, and it does encourage all of us. It inspires all of us, especially me. So thank you all, everybody, for your ongoing support. I love to hear from you. Chat to me via Instagram, talk to me in the comments. In the meantime, everybody have a fantastic week. Look forward to up and coming free patterns right here on Pay It Forward, and make sure when something good comes to you in your day, make sure that you pay it forward. And until next time, it is hooroo from me.